What's up, explorers? I'm FlorinXPlorer, and tonight, we are in the heart of the crown jewel of the South, Davao City. If you haven't been to the Roxas Night Market, have you even visited Davao? The energy here is electric, the smoke is rising, and my stomach is definitely ready. We're going to dive deep into the traditional flavors, the famous grilled seafood, and even find some relaxation amidst the chaos. Let's go? First stop, we have to follow our noses to the grill section. You'll see rows upon rows of fresh seafood, but there is one king here, the grilled tuna jaw, panga. In Davao, we don't waste any part of the fish, and the panga is the most succulent, fatty, and flavorful part. It's marinated in a secret blend of soy sauce and calamansi, then grilled over hot charcoal until it's charred on the outside but meltingly soft inside. And look at these squid skewers. They are massive, stuffed with tomatoes and onions, dripping with that sweet savory glaze. This is the definition of Davao soul food. If you want something a bit more entry-level, you can't miss the caracal, crunchy fried snacks, and the classic fish balls, kikiam, and kwek-kwek, orange-battered quail eggs. They are the perfect walk-and-talk snacks. Now, it's time for a Filipino rite of passage. You'll hear the vendors shouting it before you see them. Balut. For those who don't know, balut is a fertilized duck egg. It's rich, it's salty, and it's packed with protein. The trick is to crack the top, sip this soup, the amniotic fluid, with a pinch of salt, and then go for the rest. It's an absolute staple here at Roxas. The massage zone, relaxing in the chaos. Believe it or not, right in the middle of all this food and shopping, there's a sanctuary. The massage area is a Roxas legend. After walking through the crowds for an hour, you can sit down in these plastic chairs and get a traditional Filipino highlight or a foot massage from the local therapists. It's surprisingly relaxing despite the loud music and the bustling crowds around you. It's that unique Davao vibe, finding peace in the middle of the excitement. My stomach is full, my feet are relaxed, and my heart is happy. Roxas Night Market isn't just about the food. It's about the people, the safety, and the vibrant culture of Davao. After all that salt and spice, we need to cool down. Check this out, charcoal ice cream. Don't let the jet black color fool you. It doesn't taste like a campfire. It's actually incredibly creamy, often with a hint of vanilla or coconut, and the activated charcoal gives it a unique, smooth texture. Plus, it's probably the most Instagrammable thing in the whole market. It's the perfect palate cleanser before our next stop. I'm FlorinXPlorer, and if you enjoyed this midnight feast, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. Until the next exploration, keep eating and keep exploring. Bye.